Welcome to the fascinating world of the proboscis monkey. Known for its distinctive long nose, this unique primate is native to the rainforests of Borneo and Sumatra. But why such a long nose? Well, it's not just for show. Males use their impressive snouts to attract females and communicate with other monkeys in their troop. When they vocalize, the nose acts as a resonating chamber, amplifying their calls. This helps them establish dominance and maintain social bonds within the group. Additionally, the proboscis monkey is an excellent swimmer. With webbed feet and a strong body, they often dive into rivers to escape predators or find food. Their diet mainly consists of leaves, fruits, and seeds, making them vital for their ecosystem's health. In conclusion, the proboscis monkey is not just another primate. Its unique adaptations make it a remarkable species worthy of our attention. So next time you think of monkeys, remember the fascinating life of the proboscis monkey.